How to create an account on FIFA Mobile. So if you want to create an account on FIFA Mobile, then first you need to open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. And once you're here on your Chrome, you need to simply go for the search and search for FIFA Mobile. Once you've searched, if you scroll down here, you will have a website which is www.ea.com. Tap on that and it will take you to the website. Now you can go for the upper right, which has that person icon, and from here you can sign into your account or create your account. Tap on create account and here you need to enter your country or region. So you can also create your EA account with one of your existing accounts below or start from the beginning. So you can choose Google, Facebook, Steam, Xbox or PlayStation, or you can also go with the other options which is here on the bottom. So it would be easy for you to go with the upper side options. So simply tap on the Google and you need to choose an account that you would like to continue to Electronic Arts. So for example, I'll be choosing an account. Once you're here, tap on continue and again tap on the boxes and then tap on continue. And here it will ask you for your country or region. Tap or enter the country or region and then tap on next. And you need to choose your profile visibility. So tap on I have read the agreement and then tap on email me if you want to get the emails, and you need to tap on allow players to find me with my email address if you would like to. And profile visibility, you need to simply choose private if you want to make your account private, or you can choose friends of friends, or you can choose my friends or everyone. So I'll be just choosing private and then tap on create account, which is on the bottom, and enter your EA ID or it will already generate your EA ID. So tap on finish if you are okay with the EA ID, and once you tap on finish, that's it, you have created your FIFA Mobile account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.